take a look at what we have here, just in it, unique, especially in classics. It is a sweetheart, 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Actual mile car, 28,833 is all. If you've ever ridden in one of these going down the road, if you know, you know. This is one of the nicest riding sedans I think that was ever made. Absolutely beautiful, luxurious 90s car. Color, light taupe metallic, which is absolutely beautiful. It's almost like a very light amethyst, I guess. But yeah, Cadillac called it light taupe metallic. Take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlights. There is a little bit of thin paint on that front filler. Nothing terrible. I mean, the car has been driven, a little over 30 years old now. But overall, man, does this thing have a lot of life, a lot of miles left in it. 5.7 liter tried and true V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. 4 brand new radial tires, white walls. Check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, up and down the passenger side, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. I've come across just a few real fine ones, and I'll kind of try to point those out before the video is over. We will also start it up, take a look at the interior, take a peek underneath the hood, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive at the end of the video. Lucky. That chrome in the lower rockers looks good. Those wheels look good. And you've heard it a million times, they don't make them like this anymore. Technician that looked at this car, a few notes on it. The first note he had, runs out great. Clean undersides, brakes straight. Front brakes are like new, rears are 80%. I mentioned the 4 new tires, and it does have new rear wheel cylinders. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Cadillacs, no matter what year and what model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. So there's kind of a real fine one like I'm talking about, a little bit of touch-up right there. That is being awful fussy. You can see paint has a nice shine to it, reflection. And then the other spot was over here where we see it quite often. A couple little scuffs in that passenger mirror. And you'll see this car from every angle in the still pictures. I'll try to get some of those up close as far as a few of the imperfections, but man, they're few and far in between on this one. All right, what's cool about this car? Interior. Take a look at this beautiful color interior with this car. Kind of also that light taupe color. It is a little wear spot on the side of that seat. Otherwise leather, very plush, nice condition. Fold down armrest, tilt column, cruise control. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to have on a later model Cadillac. Well, for us, later model in the 90s. Power windows. Power seats both sides, power mirrors, power windows. It's a Fleetwood Brougham, what do you expect? And it's got that 5.7 in it. Headliner looking good. I want to see the rear seats and this seating surface. Look at this. Now, of course, that front seat, that is quite a ways back because these things have a ton of room in them. So power seat, of course. Luxury ride, no doubt about that. And where do you find one with a clean Carfax and just a little over 28,000 on it? fired up. All right, there's your exact miles, 28,833. I believe the passkey light goes off. Brake to shift. That should just be the security and the diode in the key. We'll try it again here in a second. Check out the dash. Looks good. Stereo system. I played with that on this one. Metallica. I'll try that again with one of the Cadillac Gold keys and see if that light stays on. I didn't notice it in here before. Something we may be able to clear out with the OBD. Runs out perfect though. Yeah, that's something you can consult with a sales associate if you'd like to know about it. Sure they could check it out for you. Sounds pretty quiet back here. What a cruiser. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's take a look at this V8. I think I can get this one handed, maybe. There we go. All right, so underside of the hood, nice and clean. Doesn't look like it's been driven in climate weather. How clean the front of that radiator is. There it is, a 5.7 liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Look how clean that engine bay is also. Wow. Like I said, it's a sweetheart. 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1994 Cadillac Brougham. A luxury car from Cadillac. 4 doors, leather plush seating all around. A nice quiet ride you expect from Cadillac. We've got a digital dash in this machine, giving us our digital speedometer. The fuel gauge showing full, less than 30,000 miles, believe it or not. That's what the odometer is showing me. And it does feel like it. There is not a flaw that I can see in the steering wheel. Things that would normally wear first don't even appear to be worn. The radio sounds good.
The rain was unstoppable.
The blower motor working, throwing a little bit of heat today on a cool day in Minnesota. So then automatic, of course, on the column, which makes it easy to drive as you want a Cadillac to be. Cruise control working. Beautiful carpet, beautiful seats. The headliner as well. A color you might not see that often. Inside and out appear to match to me. Easy on the eyes. Brakes are nice and smooth. In 1994, we still have a hood ornament prominently out in front of this car, telling you that it is a Cadillac. Corners easily, and good acceleration. Power accessories, multi-position, power seat, of course. All the luxuries you expect from Cadillac. Find all the pictures of this 1994 Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.